Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love hassle-free home upgrades, you're going to love today's topic: no drill blinds. Whether you're renting, avoiding wall damage, or just want an easy install, we're covering the best no drill blinds for your windows. Let's dive in. Blind 1, Tension Rod Blinds, the easiest installation ever. First up, we have tension rod blinds, one of the simplest and most affordable options. These blinds use an adjustable rod to stay in place between your window frame. No screws, no tools, just instant privacy and light control. Perfect for renters or temporary setups. Blind 2, Command Hook Roller Shades. Next on the list, Command Hook Roller Shades. Using high-strength adhesive hooks, these shades offer a sleek and modern look without damaging walls. Plus, they're removable and reusable, making them great for apartments and dorm rooms. Blind 3, Magnetic Blinds, a smart solution for metal frames. If your windows have metal frames, magnetic blinds are a game changer. These blinds attach with strong magnets, giving you effortless installation and a secure hold. Plus, they're super easy to adjust or remove whenever needed. Blind 4, Cordless Stick-on Blinds, perfect for quick privacy. Need a quick and budget-friendly fix? Cordless stick-on blinds are a great option. These lightweight, pleated blinds use adhesive backing to stick directly onto the window frame, ideal for short-term solutions or temporary spaces. Blind 5, No Drill Venetian Blinds, classic and adjustable. For a classic look without the hassle, check out No Drill Venetian Blinds. These blinds come with clip-on brackets that attach securely to your window frame, giving you full light control and a polished finish without drilling. Blind 6, Suction Cup Blinds, the ultimate temporary fix. Want a blackout effect without commitment? Suction cup blinds attach directly to glass, providing instant privacy and light blocking. They're perfect for renters, travelers, or even nurseries where complete darkness is a must. Blind 7, Peel and Stick Zebra Shades, modern and elegant. Last but not least, Peel and Stick Zebra Shades. These stylish blinds have alternating sheer and opaque panels for customizable light control. With easy peel and stick backing, they offer a sleek, modern upgrade with zero hassle. And that's a wrap. No drill blinds are the perfect way to upgrade your windows without tools, damage, or frustration. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home improvement tips. See you next time.